Hey everyone, welcome back to the Crypto ZX channel. If you're new, please consider subscribing, but you guys know what time it is. We're going to be talking about none other than Pepe itself, see what is happening with the price of Pepe, and of course what we could be expecting as we go further into this week. Before I do get into that, guys, just want to say thank you. Thank you to each and every one of you guys for showing so much love on the updates. You guys are killing it with the support. Continue supporting like this, and you will continue to see these updates that I bring you guys on a day-to-day basis. So if we're looking at the market, the entire market right now, especially altcoins, including meme coins, are in the green, including Pepe up 6.8% on the daily time frame. So if we're looking at the price of Pepe right now, still about 5 zeros in front of the price, currently sitting at 88.88, and also up 6.2% in Bitcoin and Ethereum compared. So definitely some shift in price movement over the past few hours. Of course, we are seeing Bitcoin moving up towards yet again a new all-time high, and that is really helping the entire market pick up, and obviously Pepe is reacting to that. But also there's something else that is very unique, and that is quite interesting, that is also giving Pepe a push. And I think going further into this week, we could even see a new all-time high, and I'm going to explain exactly as to why this is the case. So before we get into it, as always, just a quick disclaimer: anything on this channel is not financial advice. Always do your own due diligence and research when you are investing in cryptocurrency. So looking at the market cap today, currently sitting above $3.7 billion, in the 24-hour trading volume currently sitting at $1.4 billion. So as far as its market valuation goes, looking really good. That support that I was talking about yesterday did end up holding, and we are seeing the price picking up once again. But also there are some other things that are going around as well that could help the price of Pepe push more towards the upside. And of course, like I said, I'll get into that shortly. But if we're looking at the holder count is up. Holder count has been in an upwards trajectory pretty much since the month has started. So that is obviously really nice to see and worthwhile pointing out. And on top of that, you can see this for yourself. None other than Elon Musk himself has come out and posted this same tweet that he made a few months back. Originally when Pepe came out, he made this tweet. And obviously the fact that Pepe's frog mascot, or whatever you want to call it, is in this picture is getting a lot of people excited, and back then it got a lot of people buzzing. Imagine what this could do right now. You can see this for yourself. He posted this about 3 hours ago, and obviously the Pepe logo on here, this is getting a lot of people excited, and you can pretty much see Pepe reposted this as well. So is Elon Musk doing this on purpose? Does he know what he is doing? At this point, I wouldn't be surprised if he doesn't know what he's doing. I'm sure he, at the end of the day, is the owner of Twitter, and he knows the significance of Pepe's community presence. And I'm sure if you're looking at this post of his or the previous post, the amount of people that spammed Pepe in the comment section back then was insane. So now that exact same thing is happening. So obviously this right off the bat is going to bring in speculation whether or not Elon Musk actually holds some Pepe. As of now, that is a huge statement to make, but obviously people speculating about that is not something too out of the ordinary, because of course this tweet was made, so it's worthwhile noting. So that's that. Of course, really exciting stuff, and I think this momentum can help it go more towards its upside, and especially towards an all-time high. So that's really nice to note. On top of that, if you're looking at the total meme coin market combined, you can see this for yourself. We are seeing Pepe up 6.9%, as well as Dog with Hat. So these are the top gainers. Obviously we're still seeing Shiba Inu as well as Bonk and Dogecoin kind of lagging behind these other two coins that I have just listed. But overall, the overall meme coin market is still exploding. It's still not slowing down, and that is really nice to see. But now if we're focusing on the Bitcoin Dominance Index, and the Bitcoin Dominance Index has decreased a little bit, which is giving altcoins that chance to actually pick up towards the upside. And let's face it, the month of March has been nothing but extreme bullish momentum for the entire space. A lot of people might forget that already, but I don't want you guys to underestimate the month of March and how significant of gains that it has really brought to the space. So that's that. But now if we're focusing on BTC, as of recording this update, literally, obviously it's past midnight. I usually do these updates late night because this is when I actually have some time. But you can see this for yourself. We are seeing, the Bitcoin price touching an all-time high resistance once again. So maybe even after this upload, we could see the price pushing up to yet another new all-time high. $73,000 could be coming, and obviously that is really, really nice to see. So as far as Bitcoin is going, guys, Bitcoin is looking mega bullish, and this momentum is not slowing down whatsoever. And I think the month of March we're going to continue to see this, but be prepared. As I say that, I think sometime this March, maybe late March or early April, we will see a correction. I'm expecting significant correction. So wherever the price of BTC is at that point, I do think the market is due for a little bit of a cool off. Not a lot of people want that to happen, but it's very normal to see these types of moves happening within the space. Massive shakeouts do usually occur, so you do want to keep that factor in mind. So especially if you're holding Pepe right now or any other coins, and you don't want to miss the potential upside before this potential massive correction that we could see, massive shakeout, which I think is coming. Obviously keep your stop losses in place. That is a best case scenario for you right now. Just keep increasing your stop loss. If the price goes up, increase the stop loss at its previous all-time high and just play it like that. So in case the market does turn around, like I've said before in my other updates, your profits are safe. But if you're looking at the price of Pepe right now, of course, with this Elon tweet that came out about 3 hours ago, it is helping Pepe towards this push. So if I were to really show you guys this hourly price action for Pepe, you can see this for yourself. Obviously we did go below that support, which I kind of indicated to you guys, but this time around, like I said, just a few hours ago, we did see that push. And if you did see or pick up some Pepe below this key support line, you are up right now about 13%. So we're approaching slowly but surely that key resistance mark, which is around the 92.88 zone. And this is where you want to keep your eyes on. If you hold Pepe and you want to see it hit a new all-time high and knock out a zero out of its price, the targets are the same. The target is at the 92.88 zone. If it's able to break out of that, I think we are about to see a new all-time high set in place. But this is definitely bringing in momentum on its side, and I think this could be a huge catalyst in pushing the price of Pepe even more towards the upside. But do let me know down below what you guys personally think. I'm loving what I'm seeing as of now. The fact that we are back above that key resistance, that's obviously worthwhile noting. Obviously we are going to face some resistance as the price does go and retest some of these highs, but I am expecting that Pepe still has more steam left in itself to hit a new all-time high. But with that being said, keep your stop losses in place. I cannot stress this enough. You don't want to get shaken out if Bitcoin were to see a shakeout. So keep those stop losses in place, and of course keep them in several batches. But that is it for today's update. Do let me know down below what you guys think, and also let me know what you think about this tweet. This is what I want you guys to kind of discuss with me today in the comments down below. But with that said, I will see you tomorrow in Crypto ZX, and peace out.